السلام علیکم, میرا نام زویا امیر ہے. تو میں میسیج دینا چاہوں گی کہ جو لڑکیاں ٹین پیگنگ کے اندر انٹرسٹڈ ہیں, ہارس رائڈنگ میں انٹرسٹڈ ہیں اور وہ ماحول کی وجہ سے کانفیڈنٹ نہیں ہے, بیکاز ہم جانتے ہیں آج سے پہلے پاکستان کے اندر لڑکیوں کے لیے ہارس رائڈنگ اور ٹین پیگنگ بیسیکلی ایک ٹابو کنسیڈر کیا جاتا تھا, مگر آہستہ آہستہ یہ چیز بریک ہو رہی ہے. اور اب ہم دیکھتے ہیں کہ آج اس انیشیٹو پہ شوکت خانم کی طرف سے بریسٹ کینسر اویئرنیس کی انیشیٹو ہے, اس پہ لڑکیوں کی ٹین پیگنگ کا بھی ایک دو تین رنس تھے. تو میں
جی بالکل, آئی تھنک یہ ہمارا ایک کلچر اور یہ ایک ہماری نا ایک دیر از دس کلچر میڈ ان پاکستان کہ ہم لوگ اس چیز کو سیریس ہی نہیں لیتے. وی تھنک کہ بس لائک ایز دے سے کہ ٹریٹ یور سیلف بفور اٹس انٹریٹیبل نا.
Very, very good sequence. Oh, that was it. Very, very nice, ladies and gentlemen. There she comes in with a sword. Oh, gets the ball, gets the ring, and misses the peg. Abdullah. Comes in with a sword. Oh, cuts the lemon, takes the ring, and misses the peg. Ball forward, Abbas comes in, Abbas with the backhand and landing right in front of Morris. Morris with a very, very aggressive and a quick check turns the horse and gets in command of the ball. Full command of the ball there. There he goes in for the one. Doesn't connect it too well, this shot. Landing in front of Antonori. The ball on the offside. Goes in, gives the pass to Huzaifa. Huzaifa with the ball on the off. Morris gets the ball up. It's going to be Matloom. Matloom misses onto the near side. Comes in. Morris goes in for the big shot. Certainly not on target. Way to the right. And let's see who's going to get to it first. Antonori with the ball on the offside. He's turning. Probably waiting for his players to get into position before he can give a pass, or he wants to run with the ball all the way himself. He certainly has a plan in mind. I think he's going to run with the ball all the way himself. There he gives a pass. Long is Abbas Mukhtar goes in for that backhander. Yes, he manages to get the backhander. Doesn't cover much distance. Usman pumps the ball forward there once again. Matloub with the ball on the near side. Oh. Edward once again with the ball in his full command, goes in for the very stylish under the neck shot there. A pass for his forward. Picked up there by Huzaifa with the ball on the offside, mounted on the chestnut pony there. Huzaifa gives his horse an aggressive check. He's going to tap and turn. He leaves the ball. Antonori fighting for the ball there. Antonori with the ball on the offside. Antonori comes in, ladies and gentlemen. He's been hooked there by Usman, but no, Antonori. Oh, one uproot and one miss and one pick, ladies and gentlemen. Trying to turn there along with him, you can see Antonori. In comes Abbas Mukhtar. Abbas taps the ball forward, the ball along the sideboards, ladies and gentlemen. He's trying to straighten himself. Still Abbas.
Can I request the audience, یہ بچوں کو پلیز یہ روپ سے پیچھے رکھیے, بچوں کو پلیز سائڈ لائن سے پیچھے رکھیے. Ladies and gentlemen, the ball and it's been given a goal.